It's hard for one to understand the situation then from the perspective of the current situation, where there are hundreds of students studying science, as opposed to the few tens at the time. So you can imagine that the numbers of students that could be active in the society was small. One important thing which the society tried to do was actually to publish an in-house journal. It was called Orbital. Of course, there was no stipend. In fact, we began our course, me personally began the course as a paying student, but then towards the end, in fact, fees were abolished. The society also organized exhibitions, chemical exhibitions, which would take place in the laboratory, and to which students from the schools would be invited to attend. In general, the number of places where you could work, at least in the laboratory, were less than they were today, although there weren't enough people to actually populate those places of work.
The BSc had just been relaunched a couple of years ago, so there was no community spirit. We would organize a wine and pizza party for lecturers and students to get to know each other. What we did, and we emphasized, we worked on this a lot, is every year publishing a prospectus with explaining the different modules and the content of different modules, and also to create links between students from different subject areas. So maths and computing, for example, with biology and chemistry students, and to build this sense of community. We weren't a lot of students in the Faculty of Science. We all knew each other, basically, so I think it had its advantages too. So it was a mix of social activities and even working to promote the BSc course with sixth form students, for example, as a small community of science students, getting to know each other and creating opportunities for students to get to know each other through social events. That was another important thing.